We're about to welcome your 2026 Junior All-Ireland finalists to the pitch. First out, all the way from Limerick, St. Kieran's! Their opponents this morning, also from Limerick, ladies and gentlemen, St. Sevens!
My lover's got no money, he's got his strong beliefs. My lover's got no power, he's got his strong beliefs. My lover's got no fame, he's got his strong beliefs. My lover's got no money, he's got his strong beliefs. Want more and more, people just want more and more freedom and love. What he's looking for, want more and more, people just want more and more freedom and love.
Your teams today, for St. Kieran's, pitching Deirdre Ambrose, back catcher Siobhan Halligan, on first base Linda Clifford, Ashley Redmond is second base, on third base Katrina Hugh, shortstop Emma Galvin, left outfield Stephanie Downs, centre field Sandra Walsh, and right field Ellie Buckley. St. Senans starting 9 this morning. Pitching Louise Kelly. Back catcher Dorothy Colour. On first base Eamon O'Malley. Second base Eileen Shine. Third base Breen Walsh. Shortstop Tipner O'Brien. At left outfield Keira Hogan. Centre field Grania Noonan. And right outfield Josephine Hickey. Your substitutes for today. For today, give them some noise! Okay, also a big shout out to your match referee and officials. Match referee today, Jay Hall from Galway. His base umpires today, Kieran Weldon from Limekiln Rounders Club, Anya McLaughlin from Limekiln Rounders Club, and Justin Perrin from Earn Eagles Cabin. Yep.
Please be upstanding for Aran Naviam.
Shena fina fall at of we allegerin buit our slew tar here the round a queen white vesser shantirish incher fasta Niog fer wyn tirol no wyn troll anog the hens of arna gwel legian gwel convos no sen legon ish grek wheel of agnaveler shalil kanagi aran the vin.
Mike, there we go. So congratulations, make it here. We'll do the coin toss and based on and then triple 3 minutes per. Oh. It is tails.
Sensitive is your sound? It's not going to pick on it.
That one is sensitive.
Okay.
These ones are okay.
I'll put it on silent anyway.
Hang on.
Oh, there's no show cameras. You're for TG Car, is it?
Well, we're streaming out to TG Car. We're not TG Car, but
For the day. It's going to rain.
just the Irish Street. What's that one there? No. So the other blue one that I closed is this one here.
Yeah. So which one is actually free with that?
Nothing. It's the wireless.
Which one is plugged in? Right, so
This is what's plugged in the power side. This blue one coming from the van. This one, so it's coming direct. So it was coming through this on the grey one. The grey one was coming through this through that blue one.
yeah, the problem was though, see you had a 50 and then you had this loop in the middle that was making it 70 before you got to the booster. So you need a short patch, a booster to 20.
Right.
You know what I'm saying? Or if you bypass that directly, you go grey, smooth.
Yeah.
Just on the audio, I just have to see if Paul has the scoreboard number ready.
Good morning, everybody, and a very warm welcome to the National Games Development Centre in Abbottstown in Dublin 15 for our 3 GAA Rounders Women's All-Ireland Finals 2026. Starting this morning at 11 a.m. with the Junior Women's Final, contested by 2 Limerick teams. We have St. Kieran's from Arda and St. Senan's from Foynes. My name is Shirley Lennon, I'm the National Secretary of GAA Rounders, and I'm joined by Earn Eagles senior player Emma Perry. Morning, Emma.
Hi, Shirley. Very excited about it today. These are two really good teams. Actually quite excited about this now because I think this is going to be a really great.
Sport YouTube. Online games over the next 3 weeks will be broadcast on TG Power's YouTube channel. Ready to begin. St. Kieran's in the toss and elected to field.
Really nice crowd here today too, Shirley.
Yes, it's early in the day, it's great.
Happy with you? Yep, happy with that? Perfect.
It's great, isn't it?
Yeah, it really did set the stage. It was great.
Actually, yesterday in Abbottstown as well, we had our minor women's final. So, yeah, so it was 2 teams. It was Mathena from Dublin and Athenry from Galway.
Okay, ladies and gentlemen, St. Kieran's are fielding first, St. Senan's are batting. 5 innings. Make some noise!
yesterday.
Athenry won. It was
Yeah.
the best of 3 games, but Athenry actually won 2 games. So actually the third game. Very good games. They were 2 really close. The first game was extremely close.
Drawing to the back, please. A little bit short. 1 back, 3 left.
That would have got her there.
It would have, definitely, yes.
1 of each.
Gone. First. Maybe a little bit of jitters there, not going
I
on
would
first.
say there's
Yeah,
nerves, all right. Yeah, it has to be fairly nerve-wracking.
absolutely.
Going there. Keep going there.
Batter number 2.
Louise Kelly. That's the pitcher, Forcing Science.
Oh, the hit. Could be caught. No, it's happened. Safe in second. That was a great hit by Louise.
Super hit, yes.
First ball.
Yep.
Kira, please.
Here's the captain.
Kira's opted for a wooden bat.
Foul ball.
Two good balls left. Runners on 1 and 2. Ideally, should keep this away from third.
Yes. 1 second.
And second, yeah. So just use the space.
That's all right. Last good ball.
She's got to go.
A little bit short on that one. Still last good ball.
Not ideal. Not ideal. So out on third. Kira is safe on first.
Louise on second.
Dorothy to bat.
It's easy for us standing here saying, if you find that pocket there and just hit it out there, and that everyone will be safe.
Exactly. That's definitely easier said than done.
Yeah.
A little bit bad on that one there. 3 left.
It's great to have the ref mic'd up, isn't it? So we can hear
Absolutely.
what's going on.
We're not wondering what's going on.
Yes.
It was a great stop now by first base.
A little bit low on that one.
You can feel intensity.
Yes.
Too
I
bad.
thought it was
Too
just
bad.
me. I was
No, it's really. It's a big day.
big day.
That one's all right. Last ball either way.
Last ball either way. Pressure's on. Same scenario again.
Mm-hmm.
Bad ball, walk on.
A walk on. So now we have bases loaded. And one out.
Cleanup, please.
communication issues there with the referee. Danger. Oh, hard luck. No. Hard luck there for the catcher. Good try. Batter couldn't go.
Two
Big
left.
third would have been out. They ran. Last good ball.
Last good ball.
Just get it out. Run. Safe on home, I think, ref calls. Yeah, perfect. So we have Sennons with one home, one out, and bases loaded.
Josephine, please.
In a scenario like that, though, getting the ball up in the air is just as good as getting it out.
It's true. Yes, it is.
It only needs to be up long enough for somebody to get home. Yeah.
That's all right. Two left.
Little drop there. So Sennons seem to be just keeping it ticking over.
Yes.
One
that's
home,
nice.
bases loaded.
please.
Yeah. And still one out.
Yes. Breed Walsh.
This is what you want. Just keep it ticking over to let the nerves settle.
Exactly. That's it. Yep.
A little bit inside on that one. Three left. Still inside on that one as well. Too bad, still three left. That one's all right. Too bad, two left. Just outside on that one, walk on.
That is another walk.
It's home. Dorothy's home.
Eber, please. A little bit high on that one there. Still three left.
Oh, power behind that one. Oh, yes, she's there. Reached on her. Said about nerves. You know, little things like that, ball slipping between the fingers, dropping the ball, and easy. Yeah,
That's true.
Eileen,
they'll
please.
settle into it.
They will. I'd say the grass is a little bit wet after all that rain yesterday as well. So.
Absolutely.
It's their ninth batter.
One of each.
Double out, yeah.
That's three away.
That's what I'd call nervous play. That is definitely. I did. I didn't vocalize it, but I did.
Yes. And I see Darrell over there waving at us. So we have our scoreboard on the other side of the pitch here. So
This line here, I thought that was
We got through the back in order. Yeah.
Yes.
Very impressive. First inning. Yeah.
3 warm-up players aim at that.
Really excited now to get seeing Louise Kelly pitching. First time I seen her was the World Games. Very impressive. This is, yeah, comfortable level. Wow. Time will tell. Could be intermediate women. Really steady, like, you know, there's no loopy, it's just
Please, to bat. Katrina, please.
Where's Katrina playing? She's third base.
That's all right. 2 left. Also all right. Last good ball.
Yeah. That's it. Yeah. Safety on first, batter safety on first, and then on to second.
Sandra, please. That's all right.
Can you give us some insight to these batters?
2
What
left.
to expect? Big hits.
Yes.
Cute hits.
Ellie, please, to bat.
Left-handed batter. Yeah.
That's all right. Just below the shoulders. 2 left.
That's what we like to see. Well watched and taking chances.
Ashley, please, to bat.
The payoff.
A little bit low on that one.
Runners on second and third. First base is free, so she only has to
Still
get
3
herself
left.
to 1.
One of each.
Depending on speed, that would have done if she's relaxed, yeah. Don't need a big hit.
That's
here.
all right. Last good ball.
Just get on base. base runner is home.
I will call it if it's foul.
I'm saying for Kira so she could know whether it's forfeit or not. She didn't know.
Deirdre, please. Oh, sorry, Siobhan. Skipping there.
Some queries there as to a foul ball, but the ball did hop on the line, which makes it good.
That's all right.
Siobhan Halligan is backstop for.
Has she got a particular place on the pitch she likes to hit with?
I don't know that.
We will find out.
Also all right. Last good ball. A little bit high on that one. Bad ball.
That's okay. Good idea, Siobhan. Good idea. That's it, girl.
I think she may be aiming for
One bad, still last good
right
ball.
centre outfield. But let's see. I could well be wrong. No,
Foul ball. Batter out.
that was the first out.
Down here.
I love a lefty. I have to say, the batting is just something else. Only 2 out. That was a lovely catch. I don't remember the first turn back.
Step please.
Not realising going into the tag and extra 2 out.
Leave it off.
Foul ball. Two left. Linda, please.
You can see a whole different team in the second or third inning. Now from experience myself, I don't settle into it yet until it's started.
Foul ball.
Shirley's getting in on the action here.
Two left.
Oh, is that foul? That is foul.
Foul ball. Last good ball.
Yeah. No wooden bat for this lady. Oh, is she gonna get there? Out on 12. So that's 3 out. So it's tick for tat. And what have we got? Score is 4 all. This is going to be exciting. It is, yeah. I think so.
Yeah, please, come back.
The second. For all.
Puck was still in the box. So she has
Last good ball.
done it. You're fast enough.
Ready, Linda? Coming straight to you, Linda. Move it!
That's
Bravo, better up.
hindsight's a great thing.
Louise, please.
Louise now sending its picture.
Short on that one, 3 left. Short and outside on that one, still 3 left.
That's it, yeah. That's exactly what you want.
Kira, please.
She just needs to keep it away from second.
A little bit high coming in. 3 left. Foul ball, 1 of each.